In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up image extensions in Google Ads, allowing you to enhance your text ads with compelling images in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional, adding images to your text ads is a great way to grab attention and engage more customers. Let's dive right in. First, start by navigating to the Google Ads homepage. This is your hub for managing all your ad campaigns. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but for now we're focusing on those who are already up and running. Once you're on the homepage, locate the sign in button in the top right corner and click it to access your account. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads dashboard, your control center for everything advertisement related. Next, look towards the top of the screen where you'll see a navigation bar. Click on the Tools icon. It's like a brightly colored tool rack that opens up a menu of options. Here you're looking for the planning section. This is a powerful area where you can strategize your target audiences and explore keyword ideas. Once you've clicked into planning, you'll want to direct your attention to the shared library. Now, the shared library is an invaluable resource that houses all your assets, like those trusty tools in a workshop. Here you can manage things like bid strategies, budgets, and most importantly for today, your image assets. Inside the shared library, you'll find an option labeled Asset Library. Go ahead and click on it. This space is essentially your digital repertoire, a collection of all your visual content in one convenient location. To add a new image, click on the New button. This button will allow you to bring fresh content into your campaigns. Once you've hit New, you'll want to click on Upload. Now is your chance to add those eye-catching images to the library, ones that resonate with your target audience and align with your brand message. When the Upload menu appears, simply select Images and Videos. This will open up a window where you can drag and drop your files or select them from your device's directory. As you select your images or videos, remember to choose visuals that are clear, relevant, and compelling. Ones that tell your brand story at a glance. After you've selected your files, they will begin uploading to your asset library. Once completed, these are now set to be used in conjunction with your text ads, enhancing their appeal when visible in search results. Now that your images are uploaded, they are available to be added to your ads as extensions. This feature allows users to visually connect with your ads, making them more engaging and likely leading to higher click-through rates. It's a quick and efficient way to make your ads stand out in the crowded digital space. And there you have it, a straightforward process to enrich your Google Ads with image extensions. Thanks for following along, and here's to your future campaigns capturing even more attention and achieving greater success.